What's up, everyone? I'm getting my cell phone battery repaired here at Cell Solutions. I'm getting a new one placed in finally. I've had my phone for 6 years now. I think it's time to get a replacement. So yeah, I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna get this battery replaced, and we'll see how well it works. All right. Cell phone repair. You also get cases. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm just looking. Yeah, these are just different phones they have, I guess. And we're back. Yeah, it said that the battery lifespan is at 100% now, which is pretty stoked for that, actually. Pretty good. Anyways, yeah, hopefully, yeah, my battery is gonna be nice and living a long time.